Festival of the Lion King walking in. Cool, right?
It's nice and ambitions are fair. Be prepared.
So, welcome aboard. Rail slides to the left to make room for your entire party. And also known, remain fully seated here, friends. The ultimate tree of life. Let's nickname it the Upside Down Tree, as the branches look very similar to roots. Now, all the giraffe you're going to see on the reserve today are Maasai giraffe. They're very rough and jagged spots with a serrated, messier look to them, unlike particularly giraffes' clean line and geometric spotting. All these Maasai giraffe, they have excellent eyesight, allowing them to scan the trees for their food, but also constantly scanning for predators. Because with their long legs, they don't usually like to lie down, so instead would much prefer to sleep standing up. And lucky enough for them, they're almost constantly eating. They're going to get enough energy that they only really need to sleep for about 30 minutes a day, which they do not even do consecutively. They're also going to give birth standing up. This young baby giraffe is around a 6-foot drop in the world. This little guy is about 3.5 months old already.
I'll show you baby giraffe.
About 2 months he's been out on the reserve.
See him?
He's actually very independent, as you can see. He tends to be off on his own.
Yeah, that's the baby.
Now, the mother, she was the first giraffe we saw way on the other side. It's kind of letting him be, his own devices, but they kind of take turns watching him. Most of these are the aunties. This little guy. But a group of giraffes is called a tower. Yeah, they'll tag team taking care of him. So these guys are more successful pack hunters than hyenas, cheetahs, or even lions. And again, friends, we got it. Those are the Harbor Mountain zebras. There's a distinct white underbelly and largely the stripes on their back legs. They also have black colored noses, which means that this particular zebra species are actually black and have white stripes, or white underbelly. Male elephants will only stay with the herds about 13 years of age. Keep up on their own. Protein and beta-carotene is nothing happy from a gray color. It's until about 2 whole years of crossing this spring trip before the feathers even start to resemble that peak that we know and love. For sprinters, non-endurance runners, they cannot keep speed very long. They time their hunt perfectly and it catches them quick away.
This is just relaxing and beautiful. Is this a couple? I've never seen a couple. Yeah, I got it. How did they wrap themselves in, like their skin? Wings? That's just the wings that wrap that flexible? Bulls. Wow, they're so... Now we're at the bird exhibit. I forgot which ones these are. Should have borrowed a little fancy in there. But they're coming to me. No way, you don't want to come to me.
Right there, you see a Victoria Crown.
Where?
A big blue one there, yeah.
What is that called again?
Victoria Crown.
Wow. In a specific area? Oh.
Yeah, absolutely. And so them. Look at that. These birds are cool because they're nature's recyclers. Marabou storks are scavengers, so they eat dead stuff. Heads up, here he comes. And they rose so high that they were officially taken off the endangered species list.
Now we are at this Anador Yakayeti restaurant. They do have some special shrimpies, but I didn't get any of these. I didn't order any of these. But I did get for my drink, so I did get this watermelon sugar, non-alcoholic, puree, cream of coconut, juice mint, and it's served with this. And since it's non-alcoholic, I can take it with me. Actually, I don't know, maybe for it doesn't matter. Now for food, I got this Korean kimchi burger. Just how it is, no egg. I do not want an egg yolk spilling all over me like my egg slit video. That would be bad. And then instead of getting the whole coconut shrimp meal, because the coconut shrimp meal is $27.99, I don't need no jasmine rice and stir fried vegetables. So I just got the side for $10.99. So yeah, that's what I have so far. Also good. I guess you don't know. Well, if you don't know, I don't like no calamari. I like octopus, not calamari. I'm sorry. You just know me well. And Korean look good too. Thank you. The wok stuff look good too. Like Korean beef wok, I really consider getting that, but I am just eating this. So the drink came. It's lighting up. It's so cute. It's the Yakayeti, so it's the restaurant name, and then it changes colors, like you can see. And this is a souvenir cup, so I'm gonna take this with me. It tastes good. It tastes like it's not. It is alcoholic, but it's not alcoholic. Even better. I love it. Food just came out. This is the kimchi burger. This looks pretty good. I see kimchi, like bacon jam, like cut up bacon, and I guess it's the sauce. I check. So this is sriracha aioli, and this is the plum barbecue sauce. Some pickles. I like pickles, so I like that. Some fries, which I cannot taste. Decent fries for sure. Decent fries. Let's see. This is the sauce. I like it. Good. We have the coconut shrimp here. It's nice and butter fried to perfection. Let's try it without the sauce. A little bit more coconut. Good sweet coconut shrimp taste. Pretty good. I wouldn't expect to like barbecue sauce with coconut shrimp. I usually use Thai chili sauce, but it actually works. So let's taste the burger. Okay. Here's the burger, a little messy. Oh, let's see that. Let's try. Okay, let's try the burger one more time. Get a true taste. Let me see. Combos of the flavors and how it's put together, and just the idea and the inspiration of it, I think it's good. It's a good idea. All the flavors taste really good together. But yeah, overall, I like the burger. Just wish it was a little bit less done, but you know, it's a burger, so it's always maybe safe to have a little bit over. The coconut shrimp is really good, especially with that plum barbecue sauce, which I was surprised by. Like the fries, just your standard good, like bar, almost skinny fries, if that makes sense. And this drink is amazing and cool.